Alright, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I will show you how to replace the rubber seal at the B-post where the door meets the B-post on the R107s. It looks just like this, and over time these do deteriorate and will need to be replaced. They prevent water and anything else from getting in this little crack here. So the first step will be to pop the cover for the folding top, and then it actually helps to move the front seat forward just to give you a little more space. And then if we move over here, it's very simple. You will need 10mm for the bolt, and then you also need a Phillips screwdriver. So the 10mm bolt is located right here, and you actually want to be careful because there is a washer on it and you could drop it down there. Might be difficult to get out. So we could start by getting this off. There we go, bolt is off. Then the next step will be to take off the two Phillips screws right here. Alright, and then this metal plate will just come right off, and you could just pop it up like this and take out your old seal. And then on the new seal, you will notice there's a flap on the left. That's where the metal goes into, and then on the back there's another flap that rests on another metal piece in there. So first put the back piece over, and then it should rest with this other flap upwards, and put the metal plate this side first over the leather on the interior, and then slide the metal flap, or the flap over here, between the metal on this plate. Again, you want it to go over the interior leather, so make sure of that. You should feel whether it's in the proper position or not, because this piece won't slide in properly. And now once it's in, you could replace the bolt. You might have to push down on the plate to make sure the slot is lined up. And finally, the two screws. And that is all. You could purchase these on our website, classictrimparts.com. Thank you for watching.